And Audra Stafford is live on location in Shelter Island with some easy steps you can take to eat healthier. I know it's National Pizza Day and National Bagel Day, but they probably wouldn't really care for that over there.
I know you're carb loading back there. Here we're talking about fruits and vegetables and those kinds of things. But I do want to bring in Dr. Robert Gillespie, because even though you want to eat more of those kinds of things in your diet, it's okay once in a while to carb load for National Pizza Day or National Bagel Day.
It's important that we realize we have those days. We have Super Bowls, we have Christmas, we have other holidays that we can enjoy ourselves. We're talking about our usual lifestyles that we do on a daily basis that's going to make a difference long term. Eating fresh vegetables and fruits and making sure that we have beans in our diet, that we're trying to minimize saturated fat and sugar. Those are the things that will make a difference as we eat on a regular basis.
And diet is not the only thing we need to be concerned about.
No, it is not. Exercise is important. Later you'll hear more about that, but it's important that we incorporate exercise into our daily lives. Understand that genetics do play a role, that we certainly have to take the appropriate medications to decrease risk in the right situation, and that we know that if we don't take care of our arteries and our bodies through diet and exercise, that we can develop blockage in these arteries. And if you look here, you'll see that this is a coronary artery. It's a very small vessel, and you'll see our display that you're seeing on television now.
Yeah, we have some video that we want to show you that really shows what happens when that artery he was just pointing out starts to get clogged from all those fats and salts and things like that.
Yes, and what you'll see on the video, you'll see red blood cells running through the artery. You'll see that as time goes on, if you eat poorly and you don't have a good exercise regimen, and genetics play a role in hypertension, diabetes, that you can form a plaque in that artery. Our goal is to try to minimize that plaque by eating healthy and having a healthy lifestyle.
Yes, eating healthy, of course, a huge part of that. I want to bring in Chef Nicholas Bour with Humphreys Restaurant. That's where we are right now. And you've got a special heart-healthy menu happening right now, and we've got a few of those items here.
Yeah, and actually, I actually created this along with Dr. Gillespie. And it was not, personally, it was quite a challenge, especially when it came to the dessert portion.
Right.
Because whenever I knew about salt, you know, I know when I stop by the burger place too many times a week that it's not healthy, but when he told me no added sugars, it really gave me pause. So I thought, well, how can I do that? So I did use some fruits and stuff.
And so this is one of your desserts right here.
That's watermelon, which watermelon's a very sweet item. I took grapes and I actually marinated them with virgin grape juice, just for texture. Mm-hmm. So just, you know, you have to find those sweet things without the added sugars.
Right. And kind of almost trick the palate a little bit.
That's exactly what you're doing. You're fooling your endorphin, whatever the senses in your brain, to tell you, hey, this is like a dessert. Like for me personally, I'm on a diet. I love chocolate. I love desserts and everything. But what I do is I pick up now yogurt or something, and I'll just put some berries or something in there, and it'll tell my brain that I'm having something sweet, but I'm actually eating something healthy. So
great tips. Yep. Thank you so much. And of course, you can come enjoy their heart healthy menu during the month of February, and $2 from this fixed menu will go toward the American Heart Association. I have David Demian with the American Heart Association here in San Diego, and heart disease is such an important thing to be thinking about right now because it's the #1 killer.
Yeah, it really is. The statistics are stunning as far as how many people are affected by heart disease and stroke, the #1 and #5 killers in America. So by far and away should be a point of emphasis for all of our health goals.
And I know you guys are doing a lot of work this month to spread awareness about heart disease. You can, again, come here to Humphreys. That's one way to help out and to help learn a little bit more about the healthy things that you can be eating. And I know you've got lots more advice on that coming up a little later in the show. So I'll send it back to you.